Dog. Yeah, doggy. Give kisses. Give doggy kisses. Yeah, are you going to give him kisses? Good job. Good job. Kisses. Yeah. Oh. So many kisses. Oh, you're gonna go over him? Okay. Where are you going? Oh, no, honey. Is that empty?
What do you see as the future for you and your kids?
What'd you find?
I'll be honest with you, Steve.